With so many brands investing more and more in their social media presence, it's becoming harder and harder to stand out. You need to be always experimenting with new tricks and formats, and you need to always surprise your current followers to acquire new ones. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here are some of the most creative tools and tricks you can use to make your social media content stand out. Up your animated GIF game. Images have scientifically been proven to improve social media engagement, and animated images perform even better, so it is only natural to start by upping your visual marketing game. From creative cinema graphs to humorous movie memes, animated GIFs made a confident comeback to our lives a few years ago, and they remain powerful social media content these days. Take advantage of ascii art. Text art, also referred to as ascii art, is another old trend that made a comeback thanks to Twitter. Somewhere between the widely popular shrug emoticon and the sign bunny memes, turning your keyboard symbols into funny cartoons is a thing again. Create long-form content. Long-form content is an overall trend that impacts many marketing tactics. More and more brands are creating huge lists and tutorials that take hours to read. They've been found to rank better. Longer content receives about 77.2% more backlinks than short articles, and they appear to do well on social media. But long-form content is not only good for your on-site content, it's also great for social media updates. More and more thought leaders are putting long Twitter threads together that read like articles.